Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I do my Harley Quinn Birds of Prey makeup look. First of all, I have my skin washed and moisturized and it's ready to put on this Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. Since I was staying home, I didn't apply any primer. I just put on this foundation. However, I do think this other one from CoverGirl as well has more shades and is better coverage. And don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. Then I'll be putting on this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It has many shades and is cruelty-free, so that's pretty good. I put it on the high points of my face. And then I'll be applying some translucent powder over all of that. If you like to do some baking, you can do that now. I put some under my eyes. I don't do that as much. I actually don't even like putting powder on. I also put some on my chin so that the lipstick doesn't stick that easily. Then I'll be contouring some points of my face with this cool tone shade. So that, I almost dropped that. But yeah, just so that it has more dimension. Now I'll apply some of this pink blush to my cheeks and to my nose and chin because I like doing that. After that, you can set everything with a finishing spray. I'll brush off my eyebrows and then start carving them with this micro brow pencil. I like to start with that just to have an idea of the shape I want, and then I'll go in with this eyeshadow. I try to mimic Margot brows by doing it more straight in the beginning and the middle and the arch more to the end. But you can do them any shape you like. Wow, such an amazing TikTok transition. But as you can see, this is how the brows look. Pretty bold, I'd say. Now I like to go in with this brow mascara thing and just fix some spots that were missing eyeshadow. Going into highlighting, I like to use this eyeshadow, but you can use any that you have. And I'll just put it on some places of my face that I like using highlighter, as you can see, a lot. And then I forgot to wipe off my baking from before. I like to put some on a brush and then put it on my cheeks. And then I'll go into some eyeshadow. So I'll use this 10 shade on my lid and under my eyes. Then I'll get a black eyeshadow, put some on the outer corners of my eyes, and blend it into the crease. Now with the color we use for highlighting, I'll put some on my lid. I'll also use the color Face from the palette and this beautiful silver from another palette. So you can just use whatever you have at home. Using the eyeshadows we use on our brows, I'm going to go over the crease and under my eyes just to give more dimension. Then with a smaller blending brush, I'll get some of the black eyeshadow from before and just go over the outer corners of my eyes again. Using this Brazilian eyeliner in black, you can just use any eyeliner at all. I'll put some on my eyes on a place that I forgot how you call it in English. And then I'll get this eyeliner brush and go over my eyes with that using a black eyeshadow because I'm afraid to use eyeliner. Now on to mascara. I love this mascara. It really gives a lot of volume to my eyes, and I use the smaller one for the under eyelashes. With this really small brush, I'll get the same black eyeshadow, which I almost dropped, and I'll try to do the Harley Heart, which is a lot of time thinking of where to put it and just praying to the gods that it goes right. Then I'll go over it with some eyeliner just to make it more vibrant. Now I'm going to outline and fill in my lips using this lip liner. I try to make it also look like Margot's lips, which are a little bit bigger than mine, but you can just do what you like. You don't have to look like the character or person to cosplay. Now I use this really good brand of lipstick from Brazil and a darker shade just to make it appear bigger, so you just put them on the outer corners of your lips. I like to put a little bit on the middle of my lips. I feel like that also gives the impression that they're bigger. And then a really cool trick for you to not get lipstick on your teeth. To make our tattoo look more realistic, we'll just go over it with some translucent powder. And there you go! You're ready to go into Gotham with your Birds of Prey Harley Quinn makeup look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my look. If you do it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can see all you little birdies out there. Oh, and don't you forget to subscribe and comment down below what other makeup looks you'd like to see here. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, Puddin'.